My name is Shianne. Welcome to my channel if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this look here. It's a monochromatic purple look with fake freckles. If you want to see how I did this, keep on watching. Don't forget to like this video if you like this makeup and want to see more, and subscribe to this channel if you like it. Do all those little things. Let's get on with the video. Hi! So I'm coming here with my base done as usual. I have this picture. The inspiration for today's video. This is going to be another part of the series I started on my channel.
It only has one part in it so far.
This is going to be the second part to that. This is my monochromatic series. I have one other video in the series so far where I use only one color to do a full face of makeup. Well, besides for like my base and stuff. Today's video, we are going to be doing purple. Let's try this out. Like I said, this picture here is just for inspiration. Fake freckles that I'll be doing later. That's where I got that inspiration. I'm going in with my Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette. I first think I want to transition with this color here. I know that it's more of a pink, but it's a pink purple. So if you haven't noticed, the way that I like to do my eyeshadows, I like to bring it up because I like to elongate my eyes, make them look more like. So I bring my eyeshadow up and then I bring it over. So that way it goes like, see? Now I'm gonna go do this other eye. I'm gonna take this transition shade, just blend out the eyeshadow. Just want everything like super blended, don't want any harsh lines. Alright, that's all blended out. Taking the same fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take this deep purple here in the outer V. I have a mirror over here, so that's why I'm looking to the side here. I'm kind of stamping the color down where I want it first, and then I'm going to blend it out. So I'm just taking what's left over on the brush and blending the pink and the purple together. Okay, and I'm going to go do the same on this side. Now that we have this, and kind of looks like we have two black eyes a little bit. The purple so far. I'm going to take a little bit of the black that comes in the palette, deepen just the outer V. This is what I have. I find with crazy colors like this, you just gotta go for it. You can't be afraid. If you don't like it, it's just makeup. You can just wipe it off. I'm going to take this flat rounded brush, and I have this #INM eyeshadow. I got it in an Ipsy bag. A Velveteen Dream Shadow in the shade Super Base, I think. I know it's not really a purple, it's a purple pink. So I'm just taking some on my brush, facial mist, spray it. Okay, I like that. Doing that on the other eye. I'm gonna take this brush, this purple right here, and I'm gonna bring that underneath my eye. Don't want to bring it all the way in. I close the blinds so that you can kind of see my eyeshadow a little bit better. So this is what I have so far. I have this Wet n Wild Loose Pigment, Mythical Dreams. Get some in the lid, wet my brush, pick it up, put that in my inner corner. I don't like working with loose pigments. And I'm just going to take this brush and wipe away what fell. And there we go. I'm going to go do this eye now because this eye took way too much time. Okay, so what I did off camera was I put white in my waterline. I fixed up my eyes a little bit to make them a little bit more even. I think that's it. Now it's time for eyelashes. I'm using the same brand eyelashes that I used in my last video.
I get them at the dollar store for like $2.
I'm gonna go do my eyelashes. So I have these two colors. Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Purple Panic. And I also have this Too Faced Melted Matte in Unicorn.
I know we don't like Too Faced right now, but I got this a long time ago.
So I have 2 little splodges on my hand, and I have this little tiny dotter, the little tiny brush. I'm going in with the darker one first. And then I'm taking Unicorn. Oh, this is so cute. Fake Freckles done in purple. Oh my god, I think it's so cute. Too Faced Melted Matte in Unicorn. I'm gonna use that on my lips. Now my makeup is done. I'm going to go and do my hair and change my shirt, and I'll be back. So I'm back. This is the finished look. I put these 2 twists in my hair, and I backcombed it for like the first time in a long time. This is it. I love the fake freckles. I thought that was so cute. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like purple. Give it a thumbs up if you like this look. Subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching. Bye.
That me that picture, I'll put it somewhere. Hopefully I can do that. I'm gonna take this transition shade here. I'm just gonna do the other eye because that was way too time consuming. I'm so excited. Oh, I should have done my highlighter first. Oh well, not doing highlighter. That's not my hair in this mess.